Hey guys! Oh my gosh, do I have a cute little style here to show y'all. This one is Dance by Ellen Wille, and I'll be showing y'all her in three of their most popular colors in this style. I have to say, this is a perfect little summer wig, y'all. It is so lightweight. I haven't done anything to her. I have just took her out of the box, clipped the tags. I did kind of run my fingers through her just a little bit plain. I think she is so cute. What do you guys think? She is so cute. I haven't had this one before by Ellen Wille, and I'm a big fan of Ellen Wille's styles. I love her lace fronts, which, by the way, this one has a beautiful extended lace front and a left mono part up here, and she's open with it throughout the rest of her cap. I will show y'all what that looks like right here on this beautiful Dance. This one is in the color Sandy Blonde Rooted. But let's take a look at what I was talking about with the lace front. It's gorgeous. It really is. So she has this extended lace front. And she has that left mono part. And she's open wefted throughout the rest of the cap. She has adjustable straps here, so you can adjust those to fit your head. Let's put her back over here for a minute. Let's talk a little bit more about Dance. Dance here is very light density. Well, I mean, I can't even feel that I'm wearing a wig. I am a wig wearer, and occasionally I do get those wigs that are a little heavy. I can't even feel this one. I am just amazed how lightweight, and these fibers feel really nice too. Dance does have a petite average size cap here. Now I have a measurement of 21 inches in circumference, so I'm considered a petite size. And I will tell you that most of the Ellen Wille styles, the petite average, fit me really well. This one, I did use the adjustable straps just a little and adjust it to fit my petite size head just a little bit more comfortably. With this girl, she does have that left monofilament part here. Even though she still has that left part, sometimes what I do with my wigs is I will go in, especially if they're laying a little flat here and they do not have any permatease, I will go ahead and flip that part over to the right like this for a little bit, and I will use a little bit of my synthetic safe hairspray here, and I love Beauty Mark products. I just love them. I've used it for years and years. So, and then I will spray a little bit of it on there. Work it in. Usually what I'll do is after I spray that hairspray, I'll let it dry. I'll do my makeup or whatever and just let it dry. But I'll help work it in with my hands here to make it go a little bit quicker, to give you an idea what I do to help give a little lift. And then I put my head down and I will put it back to the side that it came. Get in there and style it a little bit. Then I normally just use a little bit more of my hairspray. Spray it on here. Really like Beauty Mark hairspray especially. It just really holds well. So I would do something like that to give this girl just a little bit more styling to her, and she comes to life. And you can also just use a little clip and with that beautiful lace front, and you can pull her back away from the face. Normally I get in here and do some little cute little styles, but again, the lace front is really, really well done. That hairspray hasn't quite dried yet, so we'll let that dry. And while it's drying, I'm going to put her on in the light champagne rooted. So let me switch her out here and let this girl here dry on here. Oh, look how pretty she looks. This color with a red lip. Oh, that's pretty. This one is the light champagne rooted. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this. Look at this color. It is so pretty. Pretty. Okay, let's put her on. I haven't done anything to her either. Oh, I love this color, y'all. Oh, my goodness, she's pretty. And I will do, eventually I'll do the same thing as I just showed you with the first one. I will flip this part and spray some synthetic hairspray in there. And you know what? Even if you wanted to, you could cut even a shorter little bang in this one and crunch her up just a little bit. I may do that, y'all. I might do that on one of these because I think that would look so cute. Let me show y'all the back. I am noticing that this one does have maybe a little bit of shine on her. So what I will do with that is either I will give her a wash before I wear her out and just wash her in some cold water, or I'll just use some dry shampoo on her and get that shine out of there. But I'm sure it's due to this gorgeous blonde color. It's so pretty, y'all. Oh my gosh. And the other color I wanted to show y'all is the sandy blonde rooted. I have gotten many wigs from Ellen Wille in the sandy blonde rooted. That what used to be my #1 blonde, but I'm loving this one. I'm loving this color. This one most definitely screams summer, doesn't it? It's just so cute. I can see sitting out by the pool, your little sun hat on, and these fibers are just amazing for summer. I can't believe it, y'all. I cannot believe how lightweight these are, how comfortable this wig is. It's just so gorgeous, and it looks so cute tucked here behind the ears. Let me go ahead and show you guys the sandy blonde rooted. Okay, here's the sandy blonde rooted. So I wanted to show you guys just a quick comparison of these two colors before I take this one off. As you can see, this one has so much more of the platinum blonde going through it than the sandy blonde. I don't know. I love them both. I really, really love them both. But I'm not going to choose. I'm not going to choose, y'all. So let me go ahead and show you this sandy blonde color. So pretty. Oh, I don't know. I'm just going to love them all. I just love them. And I know after I get in and play with it that I'm going to really love this one. I already do. I just love how comfortable it is. Oh my gosh. I can't believe how comfortable it is. I'm going to pull this one back really quick. Normally what I do is I just kind of do this little twist because I think it looks more stylish. You know, I style my wigs just like I would my bio hair. And to be honest, most of the time it is more fun styling my wigs because I have more hair on my wigs. But I think this is super cute. Super, super cute. And look at that lace front. It's cute. So the measurements on Dance, her front and her sides are 7.5 inches. The crown is 9.5 inches, and that nape is 2.5 inches. And she weighs 2.7 ounces. I told y'all she's lightweight, super lightweight. And I think just the Ellen Wille fibers on here too is just making it, it feels nice, y'all. So if you're into like the shorter beachy styles and lightweight and it's super comfortable, you will love this one. You're gonna love it. I love it. And I'm a long hair girl. Y'all know, if you know me, I love my long hair, but I am really liking Dance. Makes me kind of want to feel like I'm gonna go dance. Okay, guys, I will see you all soon. Stay well, my friends. Bye.